Welcome to livingpianos.com. This video has been a long time coming. Welcome to livingpianos.com. I'm Robert Estrin with something really special for you today. This is the folding Terence piano, and I'm going to show you what this is all about. What I have here is the world's first folding piano that has a fully weighted action, 88 keys, and I've been wanting this for years. You know, I finally get to go on vacation and I have time. I want my piano, but how can you take a piano? Well, now you can. Let's open this up and see what we've got here. Now, first of all, we've got a music rack. That's always handy. And in here, we've got a pair of headphones, even though it's got speakers and a power supply. And it runs on a rechargeable battery. So you can go to the park with this thing. I can't wait to play mine. Incidentally, this is a sponsored video, but I want you to know this right out of the gate. I told Terence, the manufacturer of this, that if I didn't like this piano, I was not going to post the video because I didn't want to waste your time. So, spoiler alert, I like this piano, but I'm going to just show you what this thing is about because it's pretty remarkable. You know, there are a ton of these cheap, terrible folding pianos on Amazon that are kind of worthless as instruments. But this is a whole different level of folding piano. And let's see what this baby can do. We're going to put it through our paces a bit. That's it. That's all you got to do, and you're ready to rock and roll. And we turn it on, and boom, you're ready to play music. So, what has it got on here? It's got a lot of different features. You know, for me, I'm just going to use it as a piano, honestly, but just to read for you what is on this piano, you've got several different sounds, of course. You've got rhythms if you want to play with accompaniment rhythm. You've got reverb, different settings. You've got built-in metronome, and you've got a transpose function. You've got a sustain function. You can record yourself. It's got all the things you expect out of a digital piano. The big game changer is the fact that it's something you can take with you. And the action is really wonderful. It's got a good feel like you'd expect out of a mid-range piano. You know, it's not the state-of-the-art action. It's not going to ever replace your grand piano. But for travel, what a blessing this instrument is. And now the moment you've all been waiting for. What does this piano sound like? I'm going to play the opening chords to the Tchaikovsky B-flat minor piano concerto. But I think the most exciting way to use this piano is as a keyboard controller because it's got a USB output so you can play all your favorite software pianos and have a nice weighted action 88 key keyboard to control it. So listen to what it sounds like with Mozart's Piano Tech, a little bit of the beginning of Chopin's B-flat minor nocturne. And here are my recommendations for you. Use a software piano for expressive playing. I use Mozart Piano Tech, but you can use GarageBand on your iPad or MacBook or whatever software piano you like. Play with headphones for the best audio like you hear on this video. And last, consider getting a different pedal. The included pedal is a little noisy. You can get one on Amazon for 10 bucks. A piano you can take with you anywhere and get that kind of sound. I know I'm going to enjoy it. Any of you interested, check out the descriptions and the link where you can get one for yourself. I'm Robert Estrin. This is Living Pianos, your online piano store. Thanks for joining me.